So my boy Rick right here. He's gonna clean up my headlights. What's the kit called?
Oh, the Cerakote?
Yeah.
Cerakote?
Yeah.
Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit?
Yeah. I'll throw a picture up. But this is like before. He already did this side. This is the after for this side. So this is already looking like 100 times better, and it hasn't fully cured the ceramic coating. But he's gonna try this side, and then I'll show little parts of him using the wipe, sanding, and then the ceramic. So in this point of the video, you're gonna see him going in a circular motion with the pad that's provided with the kit. What this pad does is pretty much lift up all the yellowing that's on the headlight. And I believe the kit comes with 4 of them, so you would use 2 on each headlight. Sometimes if the headlight's as bad as mine were, you might have to use an old one and try to just go around it as much as you can. They usually say that the kit's gonna take you X amount of time, but this took a long time for me because my headlights were really dirty. You gotta do this with 4 of the different pads that you get provided?
Yeah, 2 for each headlight.
Okay.
This out so it doesn't clog up the sandpaper. Luckily, your headlight is sloped in a certain way, so it like
Already goes down.
If you like spray from the top, it will push it all down. Cause you see like how the water is not really clear; it has like stuff in it.
Yeah. Yeah, that shit's fried. Also, a heads up. No, I'm just talking to the camera.
Oh.
Heads up. Mask up the whole area right here. Only reason I didn't do it because 1, my paint is cooked and I kind of don't care because eventually I'm gonna paint the car. And then 2, I don't have masking tape, so I was like, fuck it. I have them here. Why
See, now
waste the time?
it's not looking like super white anymore because all of the stuff has been rinsed off.
Okay.
You gotta wet this puppy so that it doesn't get clogged as easy. Because if the ridges get clogged, then it's not gonna really do a good job sanding. And then make sure you keep the headlight wet too. And then you, oh my god, then you go to town. Damn, this shit was so rough to begin with, it got stuck.
Damn.
That's how you know it's bad.
Hey, that's that Florida weather where this car came from, so.
You gotta go in a circular motion.
When he switches grids, I'll come back to the second part.
Get bugs, bro.
So now,
Because of the light.
he's using his hand after he used a little, what is that, like an applicator shit?
Close to the edge. That was my glove slipping off the surface of the light.
That's all good.
But you see, actually, if you want to get close, come. Fucking bitch. Pardon me, YouTube. Don't flag the video. So I'm working this stuff away, and if you want to see it in real time as it gets worked away, you go in a circular motion, focus on this. You see it disappearing?
Yeah, it's a little tough to see it while you're doing it, but because your hand was over it. But
all right, so
you
watch.
get the idea.
Watch right here.
Okay.
That's the highest point it's at right now. And it's slowly gonna get worked away. I'm gonna work away like pretty much all of it so that way you can't mistake that it didn't get worked away.
Yeah, you can see a huge chunk came off of that.
Yeah, and that's pretty much what I'm doing all along here and all along the edge by hand.
Yep.
So that way when you put on the Cerakote, it doesn't have like a weird thing under it.
Yeah. All right. We'll get back to when he does the
You hear
Cerakote.
that?
Yeah, that's just something.
Rough as hell. And that's because I didn't want to get too close to the paint with the thing. Now, since I'm freehanding it,
You can control it a lot better.
yep. And that way I won't hit the paint. And then every now and then, clean the sandpaper and clean the headlights so you don't clog up the sandpaper. Like that right here is really rough.
We'll get back to when he does the actual coating so you can see the difference in real time. ready, Rick.
Ready, Freddy.
Look at that. In real time. Damn, look at that. You can see the difference like crazy. More precise with it for real.
Oops.
And just like that. Okay, so this is the final finish of the headlights. Looks so much better. They're actually a lot cleaner. So much cleaner. You can actually see them clearly. So, yeah, I definitely recommend the product. I already put a picture up there. I'll link it in the description so you guys can check it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. You guys take care. Peace.